SD card issues. Anyway, I did this yesterday, so I'm recording my dad's 57 Chevy. So here, I'm gonna flip it around and I'll show you what we got. He's got it running right now. No, it's running. You can turn it off if you want. No, just let it warm up a little bit more, it's fine. I'll walk around while it's running. It's gonna be interesting. Whoops. Good morning, everybody. It's like, I don't know, 10:44. I'm in the IROC today. I gotta go help my dad put a doggy door in. But I have a surprise for you guys. There's a car that you guys have never seen on the channel. You guys might be interested in looking at it, so if I get a chance and my dad lets me film, I will show it to you. It's pretty cool. It was a project that me and my dad did back in 1993-ish, and we got done with it in 95, so. But anyway, I've got to go get some gas. Enjoy the ride, guys. I'm in the IROC, by the way. The window's down. I got a dumbass behind me. Yeah, we'll see where it goes. Anyway, it is what it is. It's a beautiful day, actually, today. My heater's on and I'm cooking. I don't need that. I need to put a water pump in this thing. It has a slight leak.
Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore. Just don't be ignored. Go ask for more. Go ask for more. 'Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side. PCA.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm back. I'm having SD card issues. Anyway, I did this yesterday, so I'm recording my dad's 57 Chevy. So here, I'm gonna flip it around and I'll show you what we got. He's got it running right now. So. No, it's running. You can turn it off if you want. No, just let it warm up a little bit more, it's fine. I'll walk around while it's running. I don't know what it is with SD cards, but I'm having issues. I just crashed 2 of them. Anybody knows? Leave it in the comments. I've only got one good SD card. Anyway. Oh, we turned it off. It's cool. So me and my dad restored this in 92, didn't you say yesterday?
Huh?
We restored this in 92?
We started it, bought it in 92.
Yeah, we bought it in 92.
In 95.
Yeah. And yeah, it's clean. Super duper clean. It's got a 283 4-ball car. It originally probably wasn't. I think we made it a 4-ball car. This is my dad's baby. He's taken it literally everywhere. He's driven it to Canada, he said. I'll explain that when it comes back. But this thing is cool. So there's the interior. It's like, man, yeah, it's got the bear in the back. All original inside, except for the radio. It is a hardtop, by the way. If you didn't notice that, they have these things. It's a 210. It's not a Bel Air. So it is got a cloth headliner. And this here is different, the Bel Air. And it's the doors right here are different. We actually had to have these made because we didn't have them at the time. And the door handles are different too. The pulls. But all this stuff is, we had this car down to bare everything, which I'll show you some pictures here in a minute. But it's pretty cool. It's the original color. We painted it Indian Ivory white, Canyon Coral. So it's Indian Ivory white, Canyon Coral. Doesn't have the Bel Air piece in the middle because it's 210. But Dad's got the trunk open, so I'll open that up here in a minute. This is kind of cool. Check this out, you guys. I don't know if anybody knows about 57 Chevys, but see? That's where the gas is. And that piece, by the way, very expensive and hard to find. Also, on the 210s, Bel Airs had chrome that went all the way up to here. 210s didn't. They go right there. So, it's kind of cool. Let's see what else can I point out on this thing. I'll show you the flaws. Well, I'll show you how I made a boo-boo. So when we did the trim on this, there's kind of a also too on the 210s. You don't have the wide Bel Airs. You have wide chrome that goes along here, stainless steel. 210s only came with this piece right here. They didn't have the wide chrome on them. We did put dual mirrors on it. You've driven this car where? All over the place, right? Canada. Where have you taken this?
In Vancouver and Coeur d'Alene, Idaho.
So you have been to Vancouver with it? Yeah.
And to Vancouver.
You've been in the rain with it too.
Huh?
You've driven it in the rain too, right?
Oh, I used to go to Port Townsend the whole time.
Yeah, and the wipers all work. Everything works on the car. Yeah, it's cool. I'll show you some pictures on the. Open up the back here. Dad's got a book. And when we restored the car, I'll kind of take some pictures of it and show you here. It's neat. So, if you notice, we even put the original thing sticker in the back, painted everything. So let's see what I got here. Oh, Dad's got this done. Is that the original one? No, this is how it is. So, let's see what we got here. So that's when we first got it. She was rough. Here's another one of it. Here's the steering wheel. Had a wood steering wheel, which I forgot all about that. Had a 2-barrel in it. There's the trunk. Get a quick over here. There's the frame. There's the engine compartment again. Rear end. Floor pans, which we had to do. So we built it in a shed that we made, which was tarped. Believe it or not, we restored the whole car in that thing. So people say you need a fancy building to restore a car. Yeah, I don't. There it is there. Again. And there. And there. And then there's the floor pans that I put in. We welded, by the way. We didn't have gas. We used a welder that... What was the welder we used, Dad? Oh, anyway. There's a picture of me. Picture of my dad. There's the floor pans all done. He put these pieces in right here, side pieces in. My dad did all the back stuff in it. There. And there, and there, there, and there. Pretty cool. Let me see what else we got. Oh, there's pieces that we took off. We stripped everything bare metal. Primer to DP, I think it was DP 50 or 40. I don't know, it was black primer. I can't remember. It's been so long. There's that frame. I'll get to the frame here in a minute. Oh, there's the frame. There's the frame. And we're working on the body now. There's stuff that I painted. Doors. This is the quarter panel that we had to fix. Actually, quarters were really good on this thing, for the most part. Engine was rebuilt, obviously. It's 283. Oh, we used a flex core welder at the time. We didn't have a gas one, so. Anyway, it's crazy. There's another part of it. Another part. And there's it goes there. There, more. That was my dad looking at it going, ooh. See if I can find some more stuff. There's in the trunk. Anyway, I think you guys get the gist what we did here on it. That's kind of a cool picture, actually. I remember that. That was neat. There's another one. There's another one. Let's see. There's the underneath. And believe it or not, it's almost as clean as it was then. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, there's me. Yay. Look at my... I had hair then. There I am again. There I am again. Anyway, kind of get the gist. This car's been, I don't know, my dad's had it for a long time. So where are we at? What? How many years on this now we've had this? Oh, where's Dad go? There he is. So how many years have we had this? You've had it since 92, so we've, I don't know, figure that out. I'm not
It's about 30 years.
30 years. And you
28
put,
to 30 years.
now how many miles you put on it so far? Estimation.
Let me look at the thing. I think it's about 40.
You got 40,000 already?
Yeah, about 40,000.
So he's put 40,000 on the last
No, right around that. Close to
Yeah.
40.
last 30 years ish, yeah. I don't know. I'd have to run the numbers.
That's not too much, but
No, it's not much at all. But he drives it.
That's what the motor's got on the rebuild.
So the name of this car is Precious. It's what we call it. It's what he's called it all these years. And he's got all kinds of. This also was the first car that I ever painted. If you guys want to know, I painted this car. So. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But anyway, I'm back out here. There's my dad. He was nice enough to let me record this. And hopefully my SD card doesn't crash. But anyway, guys, this is Fix It Dad. I'm out of here. And I'll see you guys all later. Bye.